Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share my experience of eating outside for the first time after lockdown. In UK, food business is largely affected by COVID-19 during lockdown. In order to help food business after lockdown and to encourage people to eat outside and support, UK government offered a scheme, Eat Out Help Out. This scheme offers 50% discount on food items on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday starting from 3rd August to 31st August. We visited few of the good restaurants around Edinburgh. Watch till end of the video to know good restaurants for vegetarians. So friends, today I came out to a place called Fountain Park. I can say this is one stop for food and entertainment. Multiple options to eat outside here, bowling places, food supermarkets nearby, cash points, cinema and many more. There are multiple direct bus from city center. If you come by bus, you can just get down in front of Fountain Park. Also there is a big underground parking area if you come by car. So let's go inside. Today I am going to share my experience of eating out for the first time with Mr. Basrai World Cuisines. So I entered into Fountain Park. Today it's raining as well as it's lunchtime. That is the reason there are very less number of people I am seeing around. Booked a table online for us this morning before coming here just to avoid wait time if there is any. Mr. Basrai offers a buffet, also it's listed in Eat Out Help Out scheme. Buffet lunch price varies from 8.99 to 10.99 and dinner price from 14.99 to 15.99. You can also check the further details in their website. I will leave a link in the below description box. There are a few obvious differences I am seeing after lockdown. I thought I will share with you. There is a waiting area outside. Also the sanitizers and tissues kept for use. Staff will attend you and take you to the table and share drinks menu with you. Also explain the recent changes. There used to be a self-serving system for almost all type of food items before, but the system is slightly changed now. They divided hallway into 3-4 square corners and we should go in line and staff provides cutleries, also the amount and type of food that we wanted. You can come back as many times as you want. Only difference is food handling is completely taken care by staff. This restaurant is large compared to other Indian restaurants here. So in between these tables there are tables kept empty for social distancing. Also staff wearing face covers while serving. So friends, this is the inside view. You will get dosa, salads, sweets, starters and other main courses, and also you can order drinks if you want. I personally enjoy dosa, noodles and salad from this restaurant. If you are going in a group or with family, I would say this place is very nice as you will get different variety of food. Also you can have a very good time. Here is the sneak peek of our food items: salads, dosa, orange lemonade, noodles and other starters. We enjoyed our time and food in Mr. Basrai. Now we are heading back. This is the view from upstairs. This is the Cineworld. We usually come to watch our Indian movies here. This Fountain Park has gym, mini golf, bowling, Pizza Hut, Genting Casino and many more. So friends, we are now going to car park. I came in a car with my friends. This is the exit way. You are given with a small type of ticket while you are coming inside and parking. You have to show it at restaurant or fitness center wherever you go inside Fountain Park, and while you are going outside you have to show it here and you are ready to go out. The other night I came out to try one of the Indian street food in city center. It's called Tuk Tuk Indian Street Food. Tuk Tuk is very busy restaurant, however serving is very fast. I came few times but never experienced wait time here. Tuk Tuk menu is limited, reasonable. I personally like street food here. It's just awesome. This is the inside view. No fancy ambience. It's simple and Bollywood old movie posters everywhere. Almost everything is in orange color. I noticed one interesting thing here. Every time I visited here, I find many localites than Indians. I visited more than 3-4 times, or maybe it's just a coincidence. Our orders are here now. We ordered dahi puri and samosa chaat. This is just awesome. If you love Indian street food, I strongly suggest you would visit this place. Also, we ordered tandoori roti, but paneer butter masala and pulao rice. Those are also very good. I also provide genuine ratings and opinions about food and travel in TripAdvisor as well as on Instagram. Please follow me at @cookgreenfood. I strongly recommend this restaurant to viewers if you haven't visited this restaurant in Edinburgh. This is one of the best restaurant I visited so far. Street foods are really awesome and the service is really fast. Friends, as promised, now I am going to share few good restaurant names for vegetarians here in Edinburgh. Pizza Hut is one of the good option for takeaway and ordering. Other good restaurants are Rustum in Haymarket, Spice Lounge in Costerfine, Kahani in York Place. I also heard a lot about Dishum, but I didn't get a chance to visit this year. I hope to share my views soon. Also, Tanjore is very good restaurant for South Indian food. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I come with interesting topics every week. Please support my channel with your likes and shares. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.